The given plant is bird eyes chili. The objective of this mini project is to study the suitable treatment or condition for bird eyes chili. There are 5 types of treatment involved in this mini project, such as soil type, pH, soil organism, and organic fertilizer. The material are bird eyes chili seeds, loamy soil, and clay loam soil for type parameter, dolomite powder and vinegar for pH parameter, earthworm for soil organism parameter, and bio-inorganic vegetable boost inorganic fertilizer. The apparatus are pH meter and pots or polybag. The seeds are placed on a wet tissue and placed in a dim place to germinate. It takes 5 to 7 days to germinate. The germinated seeds are allowed to grow for several days before being transplanted into pots. Once they are big enough, they are moved into pots or polybags. Each polybag or pot is filled with the same soil, which is loamy soil, except for the soil type treatment, one with loamy soil and other with clay loam soil. Starting from the second weed, each is assigned to grow the sapling according to their own treatment. Each sapling is watered twice a day, in the morning and evenings. The growth of each seedling was observed daily. Weekly observations with pictures are recorded and uploaded to the Padlet. Weekly observations were made for 7 weeks. The results were obtained and recorded in the week 11 through weekly observation of each plant. The type of soil chosen for this soil type treatment are loamy soil and clay loam soil. Loamy soil consists 40% sand, 40% silt, and 20% clay, while clay loam soil contains 30% sand, 40% silt, and 30% clay. The type of soil was identified using field method as was done during the practical in the laboratory. In weed 4, seedling in loamy soil grow well and bigger, while clay loam seedling grow but not much. Although the seedling dies after 2 or 3 weeks of planting, the results from weekly observations show that the plant in the loam type soil are healthier and bigger than clay loam type soil.
pH of the soil is also very important for planting. Therefore, a pH parameter is used in this project to determine which pH is most suitable to plant bird's eye chili. In this project, 3 pots are prepared to plant bird's eye chili. First, the control pot, in which the soil is not added with anything except water only. This pot is used to observe and compare the differences of the plant between other pH pots. For acidic soil, the soil pH need to control below 7, while the alkaline soil, the pH level need to raise above 7. The parameter starts on week 5. Vinegar is used to lower the soil pH to acidate the soil. It mixed with water to obtain dilute vinegar water. A ratio of 1 to 7 of vinegar and water is mixed in a 250 ml bottle. This water has been used to water the plant once a week, and the soil pH tested is 6.38. For alkaline soil, a dolomite powder is used to increase soil pH. Approximately 2 grams of dolomite is applied to the soil. The soil pH tested is 8.93, which is a slightly higher alkaline soil. For extra information, the dolomite only applied once in soil.
The soil organisms are one of the important parameters that need to be pointed out in planting activity. Thus, the soil organism parameter had been used in the project to prove either planting with soil organisms or without soil organisms. In this soil project, there were two different pots of soil that had been prepared, which were a pot with earthworms and a pot without earthworms. These are the results of the plants on week 8. The seedling with earthworm spot has grown a bigger pear size of leaves, while the seedling without earthworm spot has grown a smaller pear size of leaves. Both pots were given the same amount of water in the morning and evening. The new seeds were germinated as a backup of the seedling because the seedling in the pot without earthworms always died before growing up. To conclude, using soil organism is more suitable in planting bird's eye chili compared to without using soil. The parameter was started exactly when transfer the seedling to the soil, which is on week 4. There were 5 earthworms with different sizes that were put in the soil. The same earthworms were used to observe the growth of the seedling until week 8.
Inorganic fertilizer could boost the growth of plants, so they need shorter time to grow and bear fruit. Hence, experiment was carried out to test whether inorganic fertilizer is suitable for bird eye chilies or not. Two pots are prepared. One will be control, where nothing will be added other than water. Another pot will be treatment. Inorganic fertilizer will be added to observe the effect of inorganic fertilizer. Parameter was started at week 8 due to the seedling before were dead. About 2 pinch of fertilizer was added into the soil. Here are the results on week 9. The seedling with inorganic fertilizer grows slightly faster than the seedling without fertilizer. The leaves are slightly bigger. Therefore, it can be concluded that inorganic fertilizer is suitable for the growth of bird eye chili.
In conclusion, the best soil conditions for growing bird eye chili are loamy soil, inorganic fertilizer, acidic soil, and soil with soil organism.